The best mini fridge can prevent perishable foods or drinks from spoiling when you don't have room for a larger refrigerator. The greatest benefit of owning a mini fridge is the convenience because you can easily move it between rooms. It can be used in the backyard, near a swimming pool, or in a bedroom. You can place them under your work desk to keep your lunch and your drinks cold, in your study, or next to your couch. The applications are plentiful. It's not uncommon for consumers to use mini refrigerators for extra storage space. 1. Danby Compact Refrigerator. As its name suggests, this mini fridge boasts a compact design. But that doesn't mean this favorite of man cave captains and office employees alike skimps on storage space for soft drinks, goodies, and ingredients for your favorite meals. With 4.4 cubic feet of storage, 2.5 shelves, and even a vegetable crisper, Danby's spotless steel fridge bridges the gap between mini fridge and full-size replacement. Satisfied buyers love this pint-sized powerhouse for its surprising spaciousness and convenient size, not to mention its 8 can holders, state-of-the-art thermostat, and scratch-resistant worktop. Plus, this mini fridge is versatile, fulfilling every customer's need, whether they're looking for extra space for their foodie finds or transitioning between full-size fridges. Danby's mini fridge is just the right size for any dorm room, so college students can store their favorite snacks with ease. Plus, this mini fridge is energy efficient, boasting an Energy Star rating. That means you can start storing your groceries guilt-free. 2. Haier HC40S G4 2SB refrigerator freezer. The Haier has 3 easy-to-clean adjustable glass shelves. The top fifth of the fridge is mostly occupied by a small canister-style freezer, which can fit a few items, with a small shelf to the side suitable for a few jars or cans. What's really cool about the layout of the HC40S G42SB is the organization of door space. You can store several large items like 2-liter soda bottles and a gallon of milk on the bottom shelf. And above that are 6 canned beverage dispensers, a shelf for several bottles of water, and a smaller shelf for yogurt-sized containers. The cooling is done by a relatively quiet compressor and a mechanical thermostat, and the refrigerator sections hold temperatures quite well. The freezer is prone to developing frosty pretty quickly, though as a small mini fridge freezes canisters, so as long as you don't count on the freezer for storing anything important, you'll be fine. Unfortunately, this unit doesn't have an auto defrost function, its only major drawback. If you don't need a unit this large, there are 5 sizes of the HC40S G4 2SB available: 1.7, 2.7, 3.2, and 4 cubic feet, plus one that's larger at 4.5 cubic feet. There are also 3 colors to choose from: black, white, and stainless. It's attractive and will fit with just about any surroundings. 3. RCA Igloo 3.2 CU-FT Platinum Fridge. The RCA Igloo 3.2 has an interior capacity of 3.2 cubic feet. It features a platinum finish, but you can choose from several different colors. For superior performance, this fridge uses compressor cooling, and since it has a reversible door, it can fit into almost any small space. With an adjustable thermostat, the RCA Igloo gives you full control over the cooling temperature. A set of slide-out shelves make cleaning easier and provide plenty of space for perishable foods. This compact refrigerator is designed for reduced power consumption, and with a built-in bottle holder, it's great for drinks. If you're looking for the best mini fridge that you can use in your playroom, kitchen, or dorm room, then this product is worth considering. It can keep drinks at the perfect temperature, and it even has a built-in freezer that can be used to store ice cream and leftovers. 4. Midea Compact Single Reversible Door Refrigerator. Investigating in a mini fridge doesn't always mean breaking the bank, especially if you can live without additional features like freezer shelves and vegetable crispers. For those seeking out of basic mini fridge to keep under their desk, look no further than the Midea Compact Single Reversible Door Refrigerator, a little fridge with a big value for its reasonable price. While it only features a single adjustable shelf, customers love its performance. In fact, that it's much quieter than the competition, and how quickly it cools down just about anything you put inside. It boasts just enough space for a few snacks, cans of soda, water bottles, jars, and smaller boxes. That's a 24-pack of 16.9 ounces water bottles worth of space. If you've ever needed an excuse to hook up your bedroom with a portable pantry to keep all your favorite munchies in arm's reach, there's never been a better time than now, with Midea's affordable and functional compact mini fridge. 5. Black & Decker BCR K25B Single Door Mini Fridge with Freezer. Black & Decker offers 4 sizes of this well-made compact refrigerator, from 1.7 to 4.3 cubic feet in size. We've chosen to look at the BCR K25B, a 2.5 cubic foot model, because it's the most versatile choice with design features that create lots of storage space. There's a single door on this B&D unit. It insulates a full-width but understandably small freezer compartment, the main refrigerator section with 2 full-width removable adjustable glass shelves, and door storage with a shelf for small items that's located above a soda can, dispenser, and a dedicated cutout for a 2-liter bottle. The compressor for the BCR K25B runs quietly, and the mini fridge holds temperatures well. Like almost all small fridges, it is not self-defrosting, though, so it may get noisier as its frost builds up over time. There's the standard 1 to 10 adjustable thermostat. The unit has leveling legs and a reversible door, and it's available in white, gray, or black. You don't expect one of these appliances to be extraordinary. You buy them to perform a function, and the Black & Decker does just that. 6. Hisense RT33D6 BAE Compact Refrigerator. The Hisense RT33D6 BAE Compact Refrigerator has an average capacity, and it offers 2.3 cubic feet of interior storage. However, unlike many competing models, it includes a built-in freezer compartment, which offers 1 cubic foot of storage space. To make food easily accessible, the Hisense has 2 glass shelves, which are designed for easy cleaning. For those nights when you're half asleep and stumble your way to the fridge for a snack, the Hisense RT33D6 BAE has an interior light that illuminates the contents. This small mini fridge has compact doors, and since it's certified with the Energy Star label, it uses less electricity than many competing models. There are several other mini fridges on the market that claim to have a working freezer, but the freezer doesn't work nearly as well as you'd think. The Hisense is one of the only compact refrigerators that has a freezer that works well. 7. Igloo FR326M-D Black Erase Board Refrigerator with Neon Markers. The Igloo FR326M-D Black is a unique mini fridge because it comes with a built-in dry erase board. You can write on the board and leave important messages for family members. Since the front door is a dry erase board, everybody will see the messages left on it. Although the dry erase board is useful, it's capabilities of the fridge that are most important. The Igloo D Black has an interior storage capacity of 3.2 cubic feet, and it also has a built-in freezer compartment. A reversible door makes it easier to place in compact spaces and delivers additional convenience, and adjustable thermostats allows you to fully control the temperature and choose an ideal temperature for your perishable food. The Igloo D Black also has a tray for ice cubes, and the glass shelves slide out easily. The best mini fridge is engineered for use in a playroom, dorm, kitchen, small office, or bedroom. 8. Uber Chill Mini Fridge. Sometimes the niftiest things come in the smallest packages. Such is the case when it comes to Uber Appliance 6-can mini fridge. With an old-school design that recalls retro-futuristic appliances from yesteryear, this affordable and adorable mini fridge is appealing to the eye as it is to the wallet. But this miniature maestro does more than just chill your drinks. Want to keep a meal warm during the long drive? Easy. Flip the switch on the back of the fridge to warm, and voila! Quick, convenient heat to keep your homemade casserole nice and tasty. Set it up next to your computer monitor for a cold, iced coffee to go with your late-night binge blogging. Or hook it up in the morning of your next road trip with the girls. With 2 ways to power this baby, both AC and DC, there's no need to dish out extra dough for a converter. And you can even hook it up to your car thanks to the 12-volt car cigarette lighter cord that comes complimentary with your purchase.